Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and when the summer hits, you need to make sure your dog stays nice and cool. And that's why this Andis grooming set really comes in handy. It's nice to get a professional groom, but that can get very expensive. So that's why it's nice to have on hand when you have to give a little touch-up, good trim, every so often so that your dog is able to stay cool throughout the hot months of the year. It is very easy to use. It has a button on the side. The cord is so thick and strong, you don't have to worry about eventual breakage or it to stop working or anything like that. I like the color purple. It seems like it fits Jasmine so well. It comes with 4 different attachments depending on the length that you would like. It even comes with a little tube of oil so that you can make sure the clippers stay lubricated. And of course, the carry case is so nice and convenient. It's easy to store, easy to just slide in a cabinet, in a drawer. Got a nice little handle that you can grip and take anywhere if you want to trim outside, or if it's too hot to maybe trim somewhere in the house where there is wood floor. I think it's just a great thing to have. It's easy to store, and that's my point of view.